See, right here is 3 axles, or R3 axles here. This is a used one. This is a new one. Now the owner had this new axle on here, and something was happening up here on his spindle. You can see here, you can see that the axle was chewing through the aluminum on the spindle because it was the diameter was too big to press up against the bearing. So the head on that axle was wrong. Okay, now we're going back down here. Push that in there. The diameter on this axle was too big. The one that he needed was a diameter like this one. As you can see, it's smaller. The problem with the one that he had on is it had the right end. This is for an all-wheel drive vehicle, and here's his all-wheel drive, but it had the wrong head. So I ordered one from AutoZone. It had the right head, but it had the wrong end. And this is the company he got his from. You see this symbol. And AutoZone also gets supplied by the same company. So what happened is the company mistakenly put the wrong head on the wrong tail on both axles. Various different companies. It wasn't like it was a batch that was from one company only, one part supplier. These are probably going around through a whole bunch of part stores, and people going to find out there's going to be a problem. They won't know how to handle this. The part stores will not know what to do, because all they're going to do is look at the computer and say, well, this is what is called for. So what we did, we got a used one. This used one also has the right diameter, and it also has the right end. So you have the long end, the short diameter. This one here has a big diameter, it has the long head. So these are wrong, this one is wrong, and we had to get a used one to put in so we can get it right, an original equipment one.